repair. Snout says, let's try filling holes in a different way. Tap here to help us out. Who should we decorate for first? My sister Zadie. Here are some of her favorite things. Soccer balls, piñatas, pictures. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Pictures. Okay, Snout, we need to get across the road. Oh no! There's a hole in the road and we can't get across. Snout says we can fill the hole with shapes. Then we can get across. Let's try it. Tap the play button when the hole is filled. Great problem solving! Zadie loves pictures. Now there are 2 holes to fill. Let's fill one hole at a time. How about this one first? You fill the hole. Try the next one. Yes, we made it all the way across the road. Tap the arrow button to try the next level, or press this button to play this level again, a different way. Wow, this is a big problem. We have 3 holes to fill. Remember, let's take it one hole at a time. You can take out shapes you don't need. We made it! Tap the arrow button to try the next level, or press this button to play this level again, a different way. Uh-oh, a shape is in our way. You can move shapes from one hole to another hole. Now you try. Uh-oh, this hole isn't filled up. What else could we try? Tap the play button when all the holes are filled. You filled all the holes. Tap the arrow button to try the next level, or press this button to play this level again, a different way. The neighborhood looks so nice, and Zadie is so happy. Who should we decorate for next? My brother Malik. Here are some of his favorite things. Trumpets, balloons, rubber ducks. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? trumpets. Let's use triangles to fill these holes. Which triangle would fit in this hole? Yay! You used the shapes to help us ride across. Malik loves trumpets. Tap the arrow button to try the next level, or press this button to play this level again, a different way. How could you fill both of these holes? Do we need to take out any shapes? Oops, there's a shape sticking out, so I can't ride across. Try taking a shape away. Yahoo! Thanks for helping us get across the road. Tap the arrow button to try the next level, or press this button to play this level again, a different way. Fill one hole at a time. Oh yeah, you solved the problem! These holes are the same. Could you use different shapes to fill each hole?